how was your ride?
It was fun. My first time on a gravel motorcycle. I've been doing it for many years on tarmac, but this is really different, but it's a lot of fun.
Actually, we know what road you took, your speed, and more of these details.
Because you were watching.
Of course we were watching, but on top of that, we mounted GPS tracker called FMB965 in this motorcycle.
Nice. Where? I mean, it's a motorcycle.
Yeah, actually you cannot see it, it's under the seat. It is very compact, so it fits perfectly in there.
Okay, tell me more.
There are a lot of good things I could tell you about this device. Good choice for owners of two-wheelers. Also, it is waterproof and dust resistant, so it's ready for harsh conditions that you might experience.
Okay, what about battery drain? I mean, I parked a motorcycle in the garage for a week. I'll be able to start it later?
With this device, no worries about that. Basically, when you don't use your motorcycle, it's in sleep mode. It uses so little power that it's next to nothing.
Cool! Thank you for introduction.
You're welcome.
I can go for more laps?
Of course, just don't forget to take your helmet with you. Otherwise, you will not be able to start your motorcycle.
Really? It's like a security device.
We mounted an EYE Beacon accessory on your helmet and configured the tracker so that the motorcycle can only be started when the helmet is present nearby.
Okay.
So no one else can use your motorcycle but you.
I'll use it myself then, yeah?
Of course.
All right.
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.